Hi, I'm Jessica. I started my journey here at Verity Health about 6 months ago. I'm a mother of 4 and wanted my family to be healthier, not just in our aches and pains and back situation, but also in overall health and wellness. That was my major goal, and had spoken with a friend about her experience here, and she had loved Dr. Mantia and loved the practice and highly recommended it. So I ended up going to the internet and looked on his website and got some information and did my research on chiropractic health in general and decided to give it a try. We came in, my oldest is 12, and then I have a 10-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 1-year-old at the time. We all came in and we had our evaluations, and he decided to give us our plan. And after hearing the plan, it was made clear to me that it would work. And so we decided to give it a go, and 6 months later, we are healthier. I've lost over 30 pounds, feel like my mind is clearer, feel like our overall energy is up in our home. My oldest, who's 12, she gets hurt or feels like something's not quite right. She wants to come here to Verity Health and see Dr. Mantia. He's not only a fabulous doctor, but somebody who we trust and have grown to love over these few months. His practice is definitely a family, and he really cares. He wants you to be healthy and wants to focus on overall health. And the more that we learn, the more we understand just the connection that it has to our overall health and the importance of coming and what it does, but also the encouragement and support that we get from Dr. Mantia and his staff is wonderful and carries us through from appointment to appointment and into our own homes, where we are eating healthier and sleeping better and exercising more. All of those things have definitely improved our lives, and I could not recommend coming here highly enough. Really a fabulous place, and we are so grateful to Dr. Mantia and also to his staff, and the opportunity that we have had to be with them and continue to come and work on our health, wellness, and well-being.